Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on Kopage AI, your go-to solution for creating stunning websites effortlessly. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer or hobbyist, Kopage AI simplifies the process of website creation with its intuitive tools and powerful features. Let's dive into how you can leverage Kopage AI to build your own professional website. Kopage AI is an advanced website builder that harnesses artificial intelligence to streamline the design process. It offers a user-friendly interface and robust features that cater to both beginners and experienced users alike. With Kopage AI, you can create responsive and visually appealing websites without any coding knowledge. To get started with Kopage AI, simply sign up for an account using the link in the description. Once logged in, you'll access the dashboard, your central hub for managing websites, templates, and settings. To create a new website, click on the blue plus icon. Here you can type a prompt about what are you creating a website for. For example, if you're creating a website for selling products, you can simply type Selling Products here in this box. Now click on Generate, and Kopage AI will create a template for you. You can also choose from different pre-built templates that Kopage has to offer. Again, go to the website page and click on Start with Template. Here you can see different templates. Begin by selecting a template from Kopage AI's extensive collection. These templates are professionally designed and cover a wide range of styles and industries. Once you've chosen a template, you can customize it using Kopage AI's drag-and-drop editor. This editor allows you to modify text, images, colors, and layouts to match your brand's identity and preferences. Begin by adjusting the layout to suit your content structure. Drag elements around, resize them, and rearrange sections with ease. Whether you're tweaking the header, adjusting the footer, or fine-tuning the sidebar, Kopage ensures every element aligns seamlessly with your design preferences. Next, dive into the customization options. Modify text effortlessly by clicking and typing directly on your site. Choose from a palette of colors to match your brand identity, ensuring consistency throughout. Upload images and graphics to give your website a professional look that resonates with your audience. The beauty of Kopage lies in its versatility. Add interactive elements like image sliders, galleries, and videos to captivate visitors. Embed social media feeds or integrated forms to engage with your audience effectively. For those venturing into e-commerce, Kopage's editor supports seamless integration of online stores. Configure product pages, set up secure payment gateways, and manage inventory, all within the same intuitive interface. Enhance your website's functionality by adding various content elements such as text boxes, images, videos, galleries, and forms. Kopage AI offers a variety of widgets and plugins that you can integrate seamlessly into your site. Optimize your website for search engines using Kopage AI's built-in SEO tools. Add meta tags, descriptions, and alt text for images to improve your site's visibility and attract more visitors. Once you're satisfied with your website's design and content, preview it to ensure it looks perfect across different devices and browsers. Connect your custom domain or use a Kopage AI subdomain to publish your site and make it live for your audience to see. Now, let's delve into two important aspects of Kopage AI: Whitelabel capabilities and affiliate program. Firstly, Kopage offers a robust whitelabel solution, enabling users to rebrand the platform and offer it as their own website builder service. This is particularly advantageous for agencies, freelancers, and hosting providers looking to expand their service offerings without investing in developing their own website builder from scratch. With Kopage's white label option, you can customize the platform with your branding, logo, and domain, presenting a seamless experience to your clients or users. The white label feature extends beyond cosmetic changes. It allows you to set your pricing, manage user accounts under your brand, and retain full control over customer support. This flexibility not only enhances your brand's credibility, but also opens up new revenue streams by offering a valuable website building solution to your clientele. Secondly, Kopage offers an affiliate program designed to reward users who refer others to the platform. Whether you're a satisfied customer, an industry influencer, or a digital marketer, you can earn commissions by promoting Kopage to your network. The affiliate program provides you with unique tracking links and marketing resources to help you attract referrals effectively. By joining the Kopage affiliate program, you become an ambassador for a powerful website building tool trusted by thousands. You'll earn commissions for every successful referral who signs up for a paid plan, making it a lucrative opportunity to monetize your influence in the web development space. Together, the white label and affiliate program aspects of Kopage cater to both entrepreneurial aspirations and collaborative partnerships. Whether you're looking to expand your service portfolio with a customizable website builder or seeking to earn passive income through referrals, Kopage provides the tools and support to help you achieve your goals. Kopage AI also offers Getting Started videos for new users. These videos are designed to provide step-by-step guidance on setting up your first website, navigating the platform's interface, and utilizing its various tools and features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web developer, these videos offer clear instructions and practical tips to help you leverage Kopage's capabilities to the fullest. Moreover, Kopage offers comprehensive support options to assist users at every stage of their website creation journey. The support team is accessible through various channels, including email support, live chat, and an extensive knowledge base. This ensures that users can get prompt assistance for any technical issues, customization queries, or general inquiries they may have. Additionally, Kopage's support resources include detailed documentation and FAQs. These resources cover a wide range of topics, from setting up domains and hosting to advanced customization and troubleshooting. Users can easily search for solutions to common problems or explore in-depth guides to enhance their understanding of the platform's features. For those who prefer hands-on assistance, Kopage also offers personalized support options, including one-on-one consultations and dedicated account managers for enterprise clients. This ensures that businesses and individuals receive tailored guidance to meet their specific needs and goals. Now let's take a look at the pricing plans offered by Kopage AI. Kopage AI offers two primary plans tailored to different user needs: the website plan and the agency plan. The website plan, starting at $29 per month, is designed for individuals and small businesses looking to create and manage one or multiple websites with ease. It offers features like One Website, AI features, ability to connect your own domain. On the other hand, the agency plan, starting at $49 per month, caters to agencies, developers, and larger organizations that manage multiple client websites or need advanced customization capabilities. The agency plan offers features such as One Website, 5 websites for your clients, and Whitelabel. You can also contact to build your own custom plan. And that's it for this tutorial. You can click the link in the description to try Kopage AI for free. See you in the next one.